Problem 11 here, we are doing a subtraction of two fractions there. So to subtract, we got to get a common denominator. So let's factor this 16 minus x squared. That is a difference of two squares because 16 is a perfect square and so is x squared. So this will factor as 4 and 4 in the first slots and then x, negative x in the second slots. And then notice here, x minus 4, 4 minus x. So those are negatives of each other. So we actually can write that as 4 plus x and then put a negative out in front, x minus 4. So I factored out a negative out of this expression. So negative x turns to positive, positive 4 turns to negative. So then our LCD here, well, let's go ahead and rewrite. So now we've got 2x over x minus 4, leave some space there, minus, and then this will be 1 over 4 plus x, and then we've got negative, and then x minus 4. And then if you subtract a negative, this negative actually can go out in front right there if we want. And then you're subtracting a negative, so that's going to make a positive. Because subtracting a negative, you're adding the opposite of a negative, which is positive. And so now notice we've got an x minus 4, x minus 4. So that's why I factored out that negative. We need an x plus 4 in the denominator here. So let's multiply by that missing factor, x plus 4, or 4 plus x. Remember, they're equivalent because you can add in either order. And now we want to multiply that 2x in. So this will be 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times 4, 8x. And then plus 1 is the numerator there. And then all over our LCD of x plus 4, x minus 4, x plus 4, x minus 4. Oops, that should be an 8x. And then you would just want to try to factor this to make sure you don't have any common factors top to bottom. So we could try to FOIL backwards on that. And this would have to be 2x and x in our first slots. And then there's only one way to break up 1. It's 1 and 1. And they both have to be positive because our middle term there is positive. But this gives 2x and this gives another x. That's 3x and this is 8x. So this does not factor. So this is simplified as much as you can.